Setup. Open the carrying case, take out the device and humidifier. Click the device and H60 together. Plug the power cord into the rear of the device. Connect one end of the tube to the air outlet of the device. Put on the mask. Make sure it is comfortable and secure. Press the knob to start the air blowing. Attach the other end of the tube onto the air inlet of your mask. Lie down and adjust the mask again if necessary. If you want to stop the therapy, just press the knob for 2 seconds. H60. Press the release button of the H60. Open the top cover until you can pull out the water chamber. Do not touch the heating plate to avoid getting burned. Turn the water chamber upside down, then turn the water inlet cap counterclockwise to the triangle symbol. Remove the cap and fill with distilled water. Make sure the water does not exceed the maximum line. Position the arrowhead of the cap to the triangle symbol and turn it clockwise until it locks in place. Reload the water chamber and close the top cover. You can adjust the H60 up to 5 settings while the device is working. Light off means no humidification. 5 is maximum. SpO2 kit. Connect the SpO2 kit to the rear of the device on standby. Attach the sensor to your finger. While the device is blowing air, the SpO2 and pulse rate are displayed on the screen in real time. Sleep Quality Review. Click Ramp button while the device is on standby. You will access the Sleep Review interface. Double-click the knob, highlight the period parameter. Rotate the knob to select the time span you want. Press knob to see the readout of your sleep quality. Rotate the knob to Home setting and press it to exit the Sleep Review interface. When the machine is on standby, click the Mute button to iCode interface and retrieve